A Bosnian man came to town to sell a goat, and he was unable to sell it. So the night he caught him, and he decided to go to a hotel for the night. He arrived at the hotel and asked the receptionist, "Do you have a spare room for the night?" "We have." "And can I tie a goat in the front?" "Yes, you can." And he, so tired, immediately laid down on the floor and fell asleep. In the morning, he came down to the reception desk and asked, "How much I need to pay?" 5,000 euro. "What? It's too much. 2,000 for the room and another 500 for the bed linen. But I slept on the floor." "But you could have used it. And another 1,000 for the minibar drink." "I didn't drink anything." "But you could." "And another 1,000 for the pool." "What the fucking pool? I have never seen it." "But you could." "And you still have to pay 500 for the gym." "What gym? I told you I lay down on the floor and fall asleep." "But you could." "Listen, you fucker, give me 5,000 now, 'cause you fuck my goat." "What? I didn't even touch her." "Yeah, but you could."